we're just a couple of minutes out now from turning off into the Whale Watch driveway. Just remember we're heading straight in, so straight into the Whale Watch office, and if you need to go to the wharepuke or the toilet, I'll direct you. Just let me know when you get into the building. Down here on the right hand side is the little village, our little village. And around here is our Whale Watch driveway. In fact, I'm just about to run over a whale very shortly. Happens to be a concrete whale. That's our joke here. We had to think of a traffic stopper, and how more appropriate than designing it of the whale. Just take it very quietly over here. There we are. Alrighty, so have a fantastic day out there on the water, and I look forward to your whale tales. And don't forget, if you need to get hold of me, just let the staff know, they'll track me down. But otherwise, I meet you out here at 2:30.
Dolphin threads.
Just going to head up those, oh, you can see the dolphins, look at that. Cool. That's always a good start to the day.
Look at Paul, you're missing the dolphin.